In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own splines or biscuits for a plate joiner using only a table saw and some scrap. So the problem was, after getting some stuff ready for the biscuits, I realized that I needed 16 and only had 8. It's a pretty good ride to the store, so I thought I'd try making my own. And here's what I done. After having my blade raised up a little over and checking to make sure, I'm just going to use the biscuit here for the length. I will grip this to match. Now I'll decide how wide the biscuit is. It looks like it's 15/16. So I'll set that 15/16. Lock it down. And then I'll be cutting this. Okay, you can see what's happened so far. We've got the length and the width set. We're not finished yet. We've got to create the thickness. Thickness of a biscuit is supposed to be 5/32, but I'll use this instead. I've got 1.56 or 0.156. I got 0.156 again. So what I'll do is, using the calculator, I will take 0.156, add 0.125, which is my saw blade curve, knock on it with this number. I've got 0.281, and that's where I'm heading here, 2.81. This is what I'll use to set my saw blade to get these right. After lowering the blade, of course, I'll proceed on to set these up. Okay, with that done, I hope I'm ready to begin. And be sure to orient the grain up and down, not like this, but like this, so that the face of the board is parallel with the blade, vertical. Okay, these are not going to be accurate enough. All right, 165. I've got 165. I got 173 and 175. These are not going to work. So, using my dial indicator, I'll move this assembly in by 0.10 of an inch. Matter of fact, I'll go 12, just to be safe. After getting me a new pusher, the other one was heavily used and had too big a groove through here. I've got another one now. Let's try this process again. I've got 155 or 0.155, 0.157.5, 0.157. They should work. Good snug fit. Now to make them round. But before I make them round, I'll go ahead and cut the rest of these. That made a lot, way more than I needed. Now to make them round. Since plate joiners have a 4-inch blade, I thought it'd be nice to create a 4-inch circle that I can use with a sled and clamp several of these biscuits in there, all them hold, and spin them off around. Of course, another option is also to take and trace them out with a pencil line and run them through the bandsaw. But I'm too lazy for that, so I'm going to try this and see how it works out. This piece is oversized. I'm going to mark it for center. And get it ready to drill the hole for the screw. While I'm at it, I'll go ahead and mark the center of this other piece. I'm building this as I go along, so this is not rehearsed. It may not work out real good, but I've got the idea to drill a hole here and make this 4 inches around, drill a hole in this, make it a little less than 4, to clamp a bunch of biscuits down at one time with a T-knob. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll find out. going to measure over on my sled and mark we'll go on my sled and mark it at 2 inches. That's where I want that screw to start. That should be accurate enough. Should be able to get just what I want. It's not a lot of grab, but it should be enough. And I'm going to mark on my sled this particular one. Okay, now to make the circle. Should have drilled the hole bigger. It took quite a bit of pressure to turn it. Anyway, as you can see, this here is 30 seconds from perfect. Close enough for me. Now I'll do the cherry one, and I'm just going to guess on it. I'm just going to slide it over some and go from there. I'll slide it over about a quarter. No, I'm not even going to measure it. Okay. Should make a good clamp for it.